Prayer is powerful, but prayer without action will not fix emotional distance in your marriage. Why praying alone won't fix emotional distance is what we are discussing today. Some of you are fasting, some of you are sowing seeds, but you are still sleeping beside a stranger. Prayer invites God, but communication invites connection. You can pray for your husband every night, but if you don't talk to him, if you don't listen, if you don't open up emotionally, distance will still remain. Even in the Bible, faith required action. In James 2:17, faith without works is dead. Prayer must be backed by intentional behavior. God heals hearts, but you must create safety. Emotional distance happens when conversations stop, appreciation disappears, hurt is ignored, ego replaces humanity. You must not Holy Ghost your way out of unresolved conversations. You must apologize when wrong, express needs calmly, create safe moments, be vulnerable again. Prayer should change you first. Before praying, God change my spouse. First pray, God change my response, change my tone, change my pride. Restoration starts with one soft heart. Even in Esther prayed and fasted, but she still showed up before the king. She still had a conversation. She still took actions. Prayer prepared her. Action positioned her. Marriage restoration is the same thing. If you are praying for a connection, also schedule intentional conversation time. Remove distractions like phone, television, and other things. Ask, how are you really feeling lately? Listen without defending. Touch more. Safe physical touch. Affection builds emotional safety too. Prayer opens heaven, but communication opens heart. Don't just pray for connection, create connection. God will bless the work you are willing to do. Follow this page, like and share. God bless you all. Love you all. Thank you. Bye for now.